As you've seen before, we've got some new machines, and we're really excited to show you what we've done with them so far. The first one is a mini excavator. We've decided to go for a cheaper option, imported from China, bought on an auction. It's a CK15, it's a 1.5 ton excavator, and we've also got several attachments with it, including a hedge cutter, an auger, some buckets, and a hydraulic thumb. So far, we've been mainly using it for tree removal. It's a bit slow, but now I've got it down to about 2 to 8 minutes per tree stump. We haven't had many major problems so far, just the tracks coming off once and a bolt loosening due to vibrations, but both were very easy to fix. We also needed a way to deal with the tops of the trees, so we bought a wood chipper. We cut up the bigger branches and stacked them for firewood, while most of the tree gets turned into wood chips, that we'll use in a further episode. The wood chipper we got is a DSP 150L. It uses the same type of engine as our excavator, although it's a bit harder to start. So far, we've cleared 3 rows of trees, but there's still a lot of work to do before the field is completely empty and flat, so that we can build something on it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.